Hey, what is up, guys? It is your dude, your guy, Camden Garris, back with another video. And sorry if there's background noise. One of my family members is taking a shower. Okay. So now that I'm burping, I got a burping video for you guys. So I will be burping the Japanese alphabet. Haven't burped for a very long time. I'm gonna take it easy and stuff. But subscribe, like, and comment down below. Give me some video ideas for you guys that you guys want to see me do. And yeah, all right. A E I O U. I'm gonna take like breathers because I have to take it very slow because I have acid reflux and I don't want to go to the hospital like I almost did. Ah. E U A O A E U A O A E T S U A U A E U E O A E E U E O A U Yo Ma A Me E M U B O Ra Re Ru E Ro Whoa. And alright, so that's that. Yeah, comment. So should I like plug my nose and do videos like A B C D E F G like that? Because like to me, honestly, that's very funny. Like A B C D E F G H, or like E O U Ka Ki Ku Ki Ko Sa Shi. So comment down below if I should do that. And yeah, alright. I'll see you guys in my next video. It is your dude, your guy, your homie, Camden Garris, checking out. For now, subscribe, like, and comment down below. You guys are amazing, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And peace.